Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing our sinking fund video and our cash envelopes video. So today we are going to be stuffing those things because we did get paid, so that is super exciting. If you are new to my channel, be sure to go and subscribe down below and hit that notification and let me know if you are new to my channel or if you are a OG. I appreciate everybody who comes and supports my channel. So this week was good and it was bad. So first off, Jared did give me money for the wedding. He did put a lot of what did he got taxes, and then he got a bonus, then he got, what else did he get? Then he got his stimulus check. So most of it is in savings right now. I did take out $400 just to put in the actual envelope, and the rest is actually going to be going towards, it's about $1,000 that he gave me. So $400 is actually going to be getting stuffed in the wedding. So that is super exciting. And then the other one's going to be putting it towards the venue. All right, so let's just go ahead and get with our paycheck. So our paycheck was $483. So I am in the lower budget because of school and everything, but it is a-okay, you guys. All right, so then on the side hustle, we did go and do some DoorDashing. So that was $160 is how much I made last week. And then I also sold something off of eBay. So that is $168 is our side hustle for the week. So that is super exciting. So let's just add up how much we made. So that is $651 that we are going to be stuffing. And like I said, I did pull out some extra money because of Jared giving me money and everything. All right, so first off, we are going to be going over our bills. The house is regularly $400. It's $926 a piece, but we pay $483, I think, something around there. So we are going to be putting $150, and that was transferred. So P means pay and T means transferred. Car is going to be getting $150 also. So that is going to be transferred. Phone is $35, and I did go ahead and pay for that. Light bill will be $35, and that is going to be transferred actually. Credit is going to be $60, so that is super exciting. And that is going to be transferred. So with my DoorDash, I am going to put some towards the wedding also. But with DoorDash, I got to pay, let's see, this week I got to pay the phone, the light bill, and my credit. So that is super awesome. If I can go ahead and do that again, that would be great. So hopefully I can do DoorDashing again. So we are just going to be subtracting all of that. So 150 minus 150 minus 35 minus 35. So that is $281 is how much we have left. I can't remember how much I left in the Cushing, but it is fine because all of my numbers are whack right now. All right, so let's go ahead. I am not doing weekly check-ins, which is really sad. I really don't have it. I only have food and gas, you guys. But we're going to go ahead and stuff that real quick. So food is going to be getting $60, $240.60. And that is going to last me for 2 weeks. And then food is $60, and then gas is going to be $60 also, 1, 2, and 3. So that's $60. And that is it. That is all I'm going to be stuffing for my cash envelopes. And let's go ahead and move on to our sinking funds. All right, so sinking funds is as followed. Wedding is going to be getting an even $440. So that's $400 that is from Jared, and then $8 from eBay, but I did just bump it up from $10, and then $30 from the leftover of DoorDash also. Medical is going to be getting $10. Car maintenance, $10. Special occasion, $20. College is $5. Christmas is $10. Renewal is going to be $0 because we did stuff that. House is going to be $5. Vacation will be $5, and then Dobby will be $5. And let's go ahead and just add all of that up real quick. Plus 20, plus 5, plus 10, plus 5, 5, 5. 5, oh, plus 5 equals to $492 is how much we are going to be stuffing. So I am going to try something new. So I'm going to put this away, and I am going to do my totals at the end of the video, not with y'all, but out after we are done. But I am going to look over it for reference because I think it will be fun to just have my money and my calculator. So we have 400, and I can add it on my calculator and just see how much our total is with that. So that would be pretty fun also. All right, so first off, we are going to, let's actually do our taxes for DoorDash. So if you make over $600 in DoorDash, then you have to pay for taxes. Now, if you want to get into DoorDash, I would absolutely love for you to join my team. So go ahead. I will leave the referral code down below. And I think if you make it, depending on what they're promoting, if you reach, I think 275 deliveries within like 2 months or so, then you will get a portion of the money, and then I will get a portion of the money also. So it just depends, and it is just a way for both of us to win, or not win, but get some extra cash. All right, so this is my taxes, and this is actually DoorDash taxes and YouTube taxes. So we are going to be putting $16. So that's 10, 15, and 16. And I only stuff this whenever I have a YouTube check, but since we are doing DoorDash also, I went ahead and I wanted to show it in this video. So let's count that. 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66. So that is $66 that we have saved so far. All right, so we are going to skip wedding for right now. Medical is going to be getting $10. So let's do a 5 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 1, 20, 40, 60. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So that is 170 for medical. All right, so for car maintenance, we're going to be putting $10. And I do have to get my oil change on the 21st of April. So this is going to be more than enough. So 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 90. So we have 90. 1, 2, and 3. So $390. So that is great. And we're going to add that. Special occasion is going to be getting $20. 2, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, and 71. So $171. $171. All right, and then college is going to be getting $5. Now, I did use some money to get my uniform dry cleaned. So, 5, 10, and 11. So, hopefully I don't have to do that a lot. I'm just scared that I am going to mess them up in my washer and dryer, so that's why. All right, so let's see. Christmas is going to be getting 10, so let's go a 5, and then let's do 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, 2, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, and 92. So $92. That is super fun. Okay. Renewal is already fully funded. So 100, 240, 60, 80, 85, 90. So 190. Beauty is going to be getting $5 as well. And I did forget to write that down, but I did write it on my my rough draft notebook that I have. So we are going to be doing 5. So 20, 25, and 26. Home is going to be getting $5 as well. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, and 52. Okay, so since we have a little bit left, I'm just going to place it right there. Vacation is going to be getting $5. No, $20. How did I mess up everything? It's $20. I don't know why I'm messing up on everything. Probably because I'm so used to putting 5s in the vacation. So that's 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, and 95. So we have $195. Dobby is going to be getting $5. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So that's at $50. Okay, and then last but not least, we are going to be doing the wedding. So that is going to be really fun. I'm super excited. So we have $440. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, and 40. So we're just going to get all of that situated. And I tried to get bigger bills, which I really need to steal. All right, so let's go ahead and count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 15. So that's 1,500 right now. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66. So I'm going to add 66 to that. 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Plus 1500 equals to $2,912 is how much we have in sinking funds, and we have 1566. Is it 1560? Did I say 1566? I think I did. For the wedding. Let's go all the way over. Yep, 1566 is how much we have for the wedding. So that is super exciting. So excited about this, you guys. We are just going to put that in there and close that up, and that is pretty much it for our sinking funds. Now I am going to end the video and I will do the totals off camera this time. So if you like this way of me doing it, then that is fine. I can start doing that. And I am also sorry that I did the vacation wrong. So instead of $5, it is $20. And then I did forget to write beauty down in the sinking fund. So beauty did get $5, just to clarify all of that. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. Happy Thanksgiving. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a 52-week challenge. And then let me know what you would like to see for the new subscriber Saturday for next week. And also, if you are interested in DoorDashing, the link will be down below so you can use my link and refer, and let's just start earning some extra money. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.